All right, you need to get your notes that say for to be variables on both sides. We're going to solve equations that have variables on both sides. So our goal is to get x on one side and a number on the other, like x equals 2, x equals -4. We could have a number on the left and the x on the right. But in the end, our goal is to have the letter equaling a number equaling a letter. So 3x minus 4 equals 11. My goal is to move the -4 to the right. So if you think about this like houses, then 3x minus 4 lives in this house, 11 lives in this house. The x's need to be by themselves in their own house. So I need to kick this roommate out. The -4 needs to jump over here and live in this house because this house has numbers. So in this case, we're going to have x's on the left and we're going to have numbers on the right. So how do I move that -4 to the other house? I add 4 to both sides. +4 + 4, cross out what's my answer. Okay, now let's look at this equation. In the left house, I have x's and numbers. In the house on the right, I have x's. So I need all of my x's to live together. So that means that I need to move these x's to live in this house so that this house is full of x's and this house is full of numbers. So I'm going to say that my goal is to move the 3x to the right. And how do I move the 3x to the right? I subtract 3x. I move this entire chunk to the other side, and when I move it to the other side, like we practiced yesterday with note cards, this becomes a -3x, which means -3x, cross out what's my answer, would be the song. I'm going to subtract 3 x's, that way I get numbers on the left and x on the right. All of the x's have to live in the same house. Okay, let's look at example 1. On the left side, I have x's and numbers. On the right side, I have x's. Therefore, I need to move these x's over here. So my song is -10x, cross out, what's my answer? These are like terms. We've been combining like terms for several days. 12 x's minus 10 x's would make 2 x's. Now I'm going to rewrite the question. Now this is all turned into a 0. It's gone. That subtraction sign is still attached. So when I rewrite the question, I'm going to write -24 equals 2x. Okay, now I'm going to sing the song, divide by 2, cross out what's my answer. X is equal to -12. So I sang 2 songs. The first song was -10x. I rewrote the question. My second song was divide by 2. All right, example 2. Write down 13x equals 2x plus 44. In this house, what do I have who's living in this house? X's. Over on this side, the right side, who's living in this house? X's and numbers. So I need to move these x's to the left side. So I'm going to do -2x, cross out what's my answer. The reason I subtracted is I want these to turn into 0. I want them to be gone. And right now it's a positive 2x, so I'm going to subtract 2x. Come over here, combine like terms. 13x minus 2x would make 11x. Now we're going to rewrite the question. We're going to write 11x equals positive 44. These are gone. The plus sign is attached, which means he's a positive 44. Second song, divide by 11, divide by 11, cross out what's my answer, x equals 4. All right, example 3, 14x plus 60 equals 2x. All right, the video is going to stop and I would like you to type in, who do I need to move? Do I need to move the 14x? Do I need to move the 60? Do I need to move the 2x? All right, the thing I need to move is the 14x, because in this house I have x's and numbers. In this house I only have x's, so I need to get all of these x's to this house. What song will I sing? The song I need to sing is minus 14x, minus 14x. Cross out what's my answer. Okay, now type in, when you combine like terms, 2x minus 14x, what will that equal? 2x minus 14x will equal negative 12x. 2 minus 14 is negative 12. Okay, now we're going to rewrite the question. 60 equals negative 12x. What is my next song? The next song is to divide by negative 12. So divide by negative 12, divide by negative 12, cross out what's my answer. All right, finally type in, what do you get? What's the final answer? X equals what? X equals negative 5. 60 divided by negative 12 is negative 5. All right, let's look at example 4. All right, so in the left house, I have x's and numbers. In the right house, I also have x's and numbers. So it doesn't matter, but we remember our goal at the very beginning. We said we wanted x's on one side, numbers on the other, or numbers on this side, x's alone over here. So now that we go back to example 4, we need all x's to be here and numbers to be here, or the other way around. All right, so I'm going to give you my best advice. My best advice is to move whatever x is on the right, move this guy to the left. We actually have 4 different choices, but I'm going to say that don't think of it as 4 choices. Think of it as one choice. Let's move this term over to this side. That way we have x's on the left, and we're eventually going to get numbers on the right. So how do I move 4x? I do minus 4x minus 4x. Cross out what's my answer. 6x's minus 4x's makes 2x's. Now I rewrite the question. 2x plus 4, remember this is now gone, and I get negative 10. This should look like the equations we've worked on last chapter and earlier this chapter. My next song is minus 4, cross out what's my answer. Rewrite the question, 2x equals negative 14, and I have one more song. Divide by 2, cross out what's my answer, x equals negative 7. So this took 3 songs. Song number 1 was minus 4x. Song number 2, minus 4. Song number 3, divide by 2. Notice that the first song is adding or subtracting. The second song is adding or subtracting. We don't do multiply or divide until the very last step. We moved these x's to this side. We moved these 4's to this side. Then I had x's on one side, numbers on the other, until I came up with a final answer. All right, example 5. Write down 10x plus 7 equals 8x minus 15. My first song is to move the 8x to the other side. So I'm going to do minus 8x minus 8x. Cross out what's my answer. I get 2 x's. Rewrite the question. 2x plus 7 equals a negative 15. Minus 7 minus 7. Cross out what's my answer. 2 negatives, same signs, find the sum. So I get negative 22. 2x equals negative 22. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Cross out what's my answer. X equals negative 11. Song number 1, I moved the x's. Song number 2, I moved the 7's. Song number 3, I got rid of the coefficient. 3 songs, I sing a song, figure out the answer, rewrite the question. Sing a song, figure out the answer, rewrite the question. All right, let's do example 6. All right, the question is 8x plus 10 equals 4x plus 90. The video is going to stop and you're going to tell me what is the first term we need to move. First thing we should move. All right, the first thing we should move is the 4x. What song will I sing to move the 4x? The song I'm going to sing is minus 4x minus 4x. Cross out what's my answer. Okay, now we need to rewrite the question. 4x plus 10 equals 90. What is my second song I'm going to sing? The second song is minus 10 minus 10. Cross out what's my answer. I get 80. Rewrite the question. 4x equals 80. What is my final song I'm going to sing? The final song is divide by 4, divide by 4. Cross out what's my answer. X equals 20. All right, let's write and solve these equations. Example 7. 14 less than twice a number is that number times 3. Is my equal sign. So all of this lives in one house. And all of this lives in another house. So in the red house, I have 14 less than twice a number. In the blue house, I have that number times 3. In the middle, I have an equal sign. 2x minus 14 equals 3. Okay, solve this equation and type in your answer. I'm going to sing minus 2x, cross out what's my answer. Negative 14 equals x. Okay, question 8. 5 more than a number times negative 2 equals that number plus 6. Type in what does that equation look like. You should have typed in negative 2x plus 5 equals x plus 6. 5 more than 5 more than a number times -2 equals that number plus 6. Now solve the equation and type in your final answer. All right, I'm almost finished, and I'm noticing that this question is going to be kind of yucky. So I'm dividing by -3. So the answer is -1/3 or -0.3 repeating. That one was a toughie. So my first song was minus x, a -2 and a -1 makes a -3. Rewrite the question, subtract 5 from each side, that makes 1. Rewrite the question, divide by -3, and you can either leave it as a fraction or a decimal. All right, example 9 is going to be tough to type in, so let's just do it together. 2 fewer than half a number. 2 fewer than, I could either say half a number, or I could say number divided by 2. When you cut something in half, you're dividing by 2. Is the same as triple the number means 3x. All right, so now this one, oh, this one's a toughie. Okay, our first thing, I think our first thing is going to have to be this guy. Maybe let's write him back as a half. Let's write 1/2 x. Okay, so I'm going to help you on this one because we've got to get the x's to live on that side in that house. So I need to get rid of the 1/2 x by subtracting the 1/2 x. Subtract 1/2 x. 3 minus a half. 3 minus this half would end up being 2.5. 2.5 x equals -2. Okay, now I've got to get this guy gone, so I have to divide by 2.5. So I come over here and divide by 2.5. It's just that we never really write it like that. -2 divided by 2.5. Yeah, that looks a little bit better because now I can make this improper, and then I can keep switch flip. -2/1 times 2/5, -4/5. Wow, that was a doozy. -4/5. All right, you may start your homework. Bring your notes to me and show me your notes that they're finished, and then you can start your homework.